Okay. Sit down, everyone. Sit down quick. I have given you 30 questions and most of you have not done these questions. Lay monkeys. Same questions I have given in the lab and now you are doing full ulta palta you are doing. Like upside down you are doing. For this question something you are writing, for the other question you are writing another way only. Full completely different. I gave you 2 days of time. I gave you answers with questions also. Even after giving the same questions in the lab, you are unable to do it. Means how buffaloes you are. How strong buffaloes you are if you are not able to do it means. Concentrated buffaloes you are. If there are no classes, then you will not study also. Okay. Let's continue now. Here we go. Based on the return type of a method and based on the arguments, we have categorized the method. We have categorized the method into 4 types. Correct? Method, all the 4 types we have discussed. With argument, without argument, with return type and without return type. All the 4 cases are done. Now listen, again we are going to classify the methods. Types of methods based on static keyword. 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 First one, static methods. Second one, non-static methods. Types of methods based on static keyword. Again there are 2 types of methods based on static keyword. What are those? Static methods and non-static methods. Is it clear now? So let us talk about static method. These are the methods which have These are the methods which have static keyword in the method signature. See, still we have not dealt with class and object, so you don't have to worry more about this. So what is a static method? These are the methods which have static keyword in the method signature. Is it clear now? If a method has static keyword in the method declaration, then the method is a static method. Both are same. Whichever you want, you can go with that. Okay. If a method has a static keyword in the method declaration or in the method signature, then the method is called a static method. Okay. Example. Public static void run. Tell me, is this static method or non-static method? Public static void run. Okay. Is it static method or non-static method? Static method. Do you understand now? Okay. Is this method with arguments or without arguments? Without arguments. Correct. Is this method is returning any value or not return type? Because we have written void, means this method is not returning any value. This much is it clear now? Okay, good, superb, done now. Regarding all static methods, just now you already got to know whatever the programs that we are doing in the lab until now, whatever the methods that we have written, every method was what? Static method only. Every method was what? Static method only. So what is this non-static method? That is very important. Here we go. Non-static method. Non-static method. If a method don't have static keyword in the method signature, then that method is called non-static method. Non-static method. Many people, they will have lot of doubts, sir. Static means we are going to write static, no sir. If the method is non-static, do we write non-static? Do we write non-static? No. See, understand this very easy. Okay. Example, if I write, listen, observe now everyone. If I write like this, public static void jump. Okay, just it's a simple method. Okay, it's a just simple method. Now you think and tell me, is it a static method or non-static method? Is it a static method or non-static method? Static method. How are you identifying that this is a static method? Static keyword is there, that is why it is a static method. So to make it non-static, many people what they think, I have to write here non-static like this, they will think. No, you should not write. So if static keyword is not there, what is not there? If static keyword is not there in the method signature, then that method is what? Non-static. Do you understand now? So as usual, access modifiers will be there, public, private, default, protected, all these things and all will be there. Excluding that, static keyword if it is there, then it is a static method. Static keyword if it is not there, then that method is non-static method. That's it, clear. Did you understand everyone? Did you understand? Very easy to identify. Static keyword is there means static method. Static keyword is not there means non-static method. Then you may ask this question, sir, how do we decide this method should be static? How do we decide this method should be non-static? Don't worry, that I will teach you in class and object. When I talk about class, when I talk about object, at that time why a method should be non-static? Do you understand now? Why a method should be static, I will teach you there. That is a conceptual part. Do you understand now? Now you don't have to worry. I will tell you why a particular method should be static, why a particular method should be non-static, I will tell you. It is a future topic, don't worry. How to decide a method is static or non-static, I will teach you, don't worry. As of now, what? There are two types of methods. What are those? Static methods, non-static methods. Is it clear now? This much is it clear now? Everyone understood? Fabulous. Here we go. Just I will give you one example on this. Okay, I have declared a class called main class. Okay, observe now here everyone. Listen everyone. In this, as usual, I have a main method. First observe, later on I will give you time to execute. After the main method, I have public static void run method system.out.println. Just it as run fast. Okay. If I want to execute run method, see, observe very carefully. Run method, first question is, you have to answer this one. Okay, first question. Run method is static or non-static? Very good, fantastic. Okay. Will it be executed by default or do we have to do method calling process? Method calling process we have to do. Until we call, this method will not get executed. How do you call a method? How do you call a method? Just method name followed by parenthesis and end it with what? You tell me? Semicolon. Do you understand now? Is it clear? Everyone understood now? Fabulous. Good. Superb. Done. Okay, listen here very carefully everyone. Listen here. Now if I call the run method and if I run it, output will be run fast. Output will be run. Any doubts in this? Fantastic. Now, since we are learning non-static methods, how to make run method non-static? Remove static keyword from the method signature. Okay. Removed. Now the method has become what? You tell me? Non-static. Main method static or non-static? Static. Very good, because static keyword is there. What about run? Run is static or non-static? Non-static method. Do you understand now everyone? Okay, good. So now you got to know what is non-static method. Okay, clear now? Now can I directly call the method like this, non-static method like this? No, not possible. You are already getting an error over there. You are already getting an error over there. Now see, I will just slightly move the cursor on the red line here. It's giving me a warning. What is that warning? You just read. Cannot make a static reference to the non-static method run. Read what it is given. If it's not visible, just give me a minute. I will zoom in. Okay, what is this? Cannot make a static reference means you cannot call from the static point of view. You are there in the main method now? You are there in the main method or not? Main method is static or non-static? You are there in the static method. That is what? Main method. Listen. Main method is static. You are there in static method and you are trying to call a non-static method. Do you understand? I am there in static and I am trying to call a method which is a non-static. Do you understand now? Now what happens? Static reference means you are trying to call. You are going to refer from the static place. I am trying to call a non-static method from a static method. That is main method. To the non-static method run from the type main class. Here type is what? Type is nothing but it is a class name. Okay, type is nothing but a class here. Okay, one quick fix available. So Eclipse says that I can fix this issue. Eclipse says that I can fix this issue. What is that? Change run to static. So now you understood that, okay, run method is a non-static method. Main method is a static method. I cannot call a non-static method from a static method. Do you understand now? This much is clear now? You cannot call. What is rules? Everything. I will draw the diagram and I will tell you each and everything. Internal memory, how the data will be stored, everything and all. So you don't have to worry. Is it clear now? So now, observe now very carefully. We cannot call a non-static method from a static method. We cannot call a non-static method from a static method. What is the solution for it? Then what we have to do? Then what we have to do is our question. Then what we have to do? I want to execute a non-static method. I want to execute a non-static method. Then what I have to do here? Very simple. Then what I have to do? Answer is very simple. Answer is very simple. Listen very carefully. Answer is very simple. Create an object. Create an object. Of the, okay, create an object and call the non-static method from object reference variable. This is the first time you are able to see what is object and how it will be created. Answer is what? Create an object and call the non-static method from object reference variable. Now your doubt, sir, what is an object? Don't have to worry. There is a separate topic called what? Class and object. There is a separate topic called class and object. See, look at here, everyone. See, observe now. Here, can you able to see topic wise notes? Part 1 is done. In part 1, what happens? Like you will be understanding what is for loop, if else, if, switch, pattern programs and all. Part 1. In part 2, these are all tokens in Java we have discussed, and what is the miscellaneous concepts means what? Math functions we have seen, escape sequence we have seen, then methods in Java we have seen. Is it clear now? That's what we are going on now. Methods in Java. Yes or no? After methods in Java, we will go to variables in Java. Then command line arguments we have already seen. Command line arguments, did we see or not? Yes. Then we will go for what is method overloading. Then what is execution diagram. Then we will understand what is method variable access. Then we will understand multiple classes. Sir, only one class we are defining. So in future we will understand how to define 2 classes, 3 classes, 4 classes. Then later on the concept comes. What is that concept? Class and object. There I will teach you what is exactly a class. It is a blueprint of the objects. Does the class really exist in the real world? No, it is just imaginary part of our coding. All these things we will understand. You don't have to worry. The future topic, like serial wise only I will go. One topic if I say here and there, you will not understand anything. That is the point. So order is very, very important. So I have given serial numbers according to this only I will be going. So you don't have to worry. In future we will understand what is constructor, what is static and non-static blocks, what is inheritance, method variable access, how it is possible, what is method overriding means, what is final keyword, what are access I told you access modifiers in future we will see. Public, private, default, protected. So there is a topic. So you don't have to worry. Is it clear now? So we are there in where? Methods in Java. A3 we are there. Do you understand now? So there are a lot of future topics are there. You don't have to think more about. You will study all the future topics. But step by step we are moving. Okay, is it clear now? Okay, good, superb, done. Now listen. You don't have to really worry about what is object. Do you understand now? You don't have to really worry about what is object. You just have to understand how to create an object. How to create an object and how to call non-static methods with the object reference variable. Is it clear now? Do you understand? So if I want to execute a non-static method from a static method, what I have to do? I have to create an object, then I have to call the method with the object reference variable. Then your question, how to create an object is your immediate question. Sir, you told create an object and call from the object reference variable. Correct, I accept it. But how to create an object? I don't know. No, this is the first time you are talking about object in the classes. So how to create an object? Listen, syntax I will give you. Syntax. How to create an object? Class name space. Class name you should write space object reference variable. Object reference variable is nothing but object name. Object reference variable is nothing but what it will be? Object name. Class name space object name. Class name space object name. But you should not say object name and all. You have to tell object reference variable. What you should say? Object reference variable. You have to be alert. Sit straight now. I'm telling you, theory it is. If you are gone, if you don't understand this, some problem. Okay, class name followed by object reference variable is equals to, you have to use the operator called new, new, small n, okay, new, new. Again you are going to provide class name, open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis, end with semicolon. This is the syntax. This is how you are going to create an object. What is the syntax for creating an object? Class name, object reference variable is equals to new class name. Pair of parentheses you are going to write, open close, then end it with semicolon. This is how we are creating an object. Is it clear now? Did you understand, everyone? Okay, good, superb, done. Observe now, everyone. Listen. I'll get back to my program. You know that run is a static method or non-static method? Non-static method. Can I directly call a non-static method like this? Absolutely not possible. Is it clear now? So for that, what I have to do? Create an object. Oh, come and help me how to create an object. Syntax, do you know? What is the syntax here? Class name space object reference variable. Now what should I have to write now? Class name what? CLASS, like this class name, huh? No, come and tell me, what should I write? Main class is the class name space object reference variable. Object name you have to give. Sir, what I should give as an object name? Listen very carefully. Object name follows. Listen very carefully. Object name follows camel casing. Object name follows camel casing. Like it is same like variable. It is the same like variable. Variable name follows camel casing. This is also variable only, but we will call it as object reference variable. This variable stores the address of the object. You don't worry, this is future topic. Everything I will teach you now. Okay, main class is clear now. Object reference variable. Any name you can give to the object, but make sure that you are following camel casing. Make sure that you are following camel casing. Do you know camel casing, Pascal casing or not? Okay, just I will give OB. OB1, OB2, OB3 like that you can give. So, yeah, okay, done. If you feel like OB1, I will give OB1. OB1 means object 1, object 2, object 3 like that. OB1. Is it clear now? Everyone understood? Is equals to, after the right side of is equals to, what we have to write? New keyword I am going to write. NEW, new space class name. Again, class name is what? Main class, open parenthesis, close it, end it with what? Semicolon. So what we have done? We have created an object. What we have done? We have created an object. What we have done? We have created an object. Is it clear now? See, listen very carefully. Objects will be always created to class. Objects will be always created to class. So listen very carefully. That point also I will tell you. Sir, can I create an object for a method? No. Objects are always created to class. You cannot create objects for methods. We cannot create object for methods. Objects are created only for, objects are always created to class only. You cannot create object to methods. Okay, this is one simple question. Then you may ask one more doubt. Sir, how many objects can we create to a class? That's what my doubts are. Like this, how many objects can we create to a class? One class we have. How many objects can we create, sir? Very good. Answer, any number of objects we can create to a class. Any number of objects we can create to a class. any number of objects we can create to a class. Let's get back to our thing. So object is created. Listen now. Now the real story starts. Listen very carefully. Ray, you are fighting here in the class. Okay, here we go. Listen, very important starts now. Very, very important. Now the thing starts here. Two areas will be there. Two areas will be there. One is C S A, class static area. What is that? Class static area. What is that? Class static area, CSA. The top, whatever this area we have now, this belongs to what? Tell me. Class static area. The below one, this is what? Heap area. What is that? Heap area. What is that? Heap area. Listen very carefully. In execution diagram, what happens? Everything we will teach again. Okay. Now here, listen very carefully, everyone. Understand what happens. Listen. What happens? First of all, class loader will come. This is one more area. Observe very carefully. There is one more area. This we will call it as stack area. This we will call it as what? Tell me. Stack area. Please observe very, very carefully. This is called what? Tell me. Stack area. What is this? Stack area. In the stack area, before the execution starts, who will come? You know, first CL will come. Who will come? CL will come. Regarding this, I will teach you again in the execution diagram. Same thing. I will give you notes in one more topic called what? Execution diagram. Here is there. See. Here execution diagram is there now. 7th one. Here notes I will give you. Don't worry. What is class loader? What is main method? How the data will be loaded? Everything and all I will teach you. Okay, now it's a future topic. But to understand this currently, now listen. Who will come? CL will come. CL stands for what? Class loader. What is that? Class loader. In JVM architecture, we will go depth. Okay, in JVM architecture, we will go very deep. All these things we will understand. But as of now, to understand the topic, I am teaching you. Okay. So now, CL stands for what? One second, you have to respond. What is CL stands for? Class loader. What CL stands for? Class loader. What class loader will do? When class loader comes here, he will load all static members. He will load all static members into class static area. What class loader will do? He will load all static members into class static area. Did you understand now? What you understood? What class loader will do? Class loader will load all static members into class static area. Do you want me to write that in the notes now? Okay, I will write here. Here we go. So class loader will load all static members into class static area. Is it clear now? So class loader will load all static members into class static area. Class loader will load all static members into class static area. Class loader will load all the static members into class static area. Now listen now. When class loader came here, listen. When class loader came here, what class loader will do? He will load all static members into class static area. In this program, what static components you are seeing? Correct. Very good. What static components you are seeing? Main method. Main method is a static. So immediately what happens? Main method is loaded into class static area. What will be loaded? main method will be loaded. Where it will be loaded? Class static area. Why it will be loaded? Because it is a static member. Because it is a static member. Because it is a static member. What class loader will do? Class loader will do. What class loader will do? Class loader will load all static members into the class static area. So that's what I am telling you. Observe very carefully here. What are the static members we have? Only one static member we have. What is that static member? Main method. So where this main method will be loaded? Class static area. Who will be loading? Class loader will be loading. Is it clear now? Before the execution starts, loading will happen. Did you understand now? Very nice. So class loader loaded all the static members. Sir, if we have static variables also will be loaded. Static variables is the next topic. After static methods, we will go for static variables. Okay, na? In that again, local variables, global variables. In global variables, static variables, non-static variables also will come. Listen. Slowly I will repeat. 3 areas. Stack area, CSA and heap area. First of all, class loader will enter the stack area. Who will enter the stack area? Class loader. What class loader will do? He will load all static members into class static area. So main method was only the static method we had. So that static method has been loaded into class static area. Is it clear now? How many methods we have in this program? 3 alay. How many methods we have in this program? In this program, how many methods we have? 2 methods you have, le. Who told 3? Give one headshot. I will tell you. Only 2 methods are there in this program. What are those? Main method, run method. Out of these 2 methods, which one is static? Main method is static. So main method is loaded or not loaded? Main method is loaded. Did you understand now? See, after loading, listen very carefully. After loading, what happens? Class loader will exit. After loading all the static members, class loader will exit. Who will come next? JVM will be dropped into stack area. JVM will be dropped into, where you tell me? Stack area. Then main method will start executing. Okay? Main method will start getting executing. Is it clear now? JVM will drag main method to, listen very carefully, JVM. What is that? Java Virtual Machine. Do you know? JVM will pull main method into stack area. JVM will pull main method into stack area. Is it clear now? Is it clear or not clear? Fantastic. So main method will start executing. Is it clear now? Main method will start executing. Once after the execution is done, then main method also exit. Then what happens? Main method also exit from the stack area. At last, GC will come. GC means what, sir? Garbage collector. What is that? Garbage collector. Whatever the extra memory is created, whatever the methods that are loaded, everything will be erased, will be deleted by garbage collector. Did you understand now? Once again, slowly. How many areas are there? What are those? Stack area, class static area and heap area. Did you understand now? Into the stack area, first who will come? Class loader will come. What class loader will do? He will load all static members into class static area. Did you understand now? Okay. Then what happens? JVM will bring main method to stack area. Then what happens? JVM will bring main method to stack area. Do you want me to write that in the notes? Here we go. So the class loader will load all the static members into class static area. Then second point is what? This is first point. So second point is what now? Here it is. JVM will bring the main method into stack area and start executing main method. main method. JVM will bring the main method into stack area and start executing main method. Main method will start getting executed by default. Main method will start getting executed by default. JVM will go, hey, main method, come mama, come here. So main method will come, automatically JVM will start executing the main method. Is it clear now? Main method will be loaded into the stack area and JVM will start executing the main method. Is it clear now? Okay. Once after the main method is getting executed, so main method will exit. Once the main method execution gets over, main method will exit now. I'll write that point also. Here we go. Third point. What is that? Once JVM finish executing main method, then main method will be removed from stack area. What is that? Once JVM finish executing main method, then main method will be removed from stack area. Once the main method is loaded, JVM will start executing the main method. Once the main method execution is over, then main method will be removed from the stack area. Is it clear now? Okay, next fourth point. Who will come? Who will come now? Garbage collector will erase all the data that is used to execute the program. Like any loaded methods, objects which are created will be erased by garbage collector. Is it clear now? Whatever the extra, we have only main method loaded. Imagine there are 10 static methods. All the 10 static methods will be loaded or not then? If all the 10 static methods are loaded, means there should be someone to erase all the things so that all the 3 areas are ready to execute another program. Yes or no? So that is the reason. So garbage collector will erase all the data that is used to execute the program. Is it clear now? Did you understand? This diagram and understanding is very, very important now. Once again, slowly I will tell you. Okay, draw this diagram in your book. Draw this diagram, whatever I have written in the book. Draw this diagram. 3 areas. Stack area, heap area and class static area. Come on, draw, make it quick. Draw this diagram in your notes. Make it quick. Core Java, see all such kind of diagrams, whatever I do, that I cannot paste it in the notes. It is difficult. That is why you have to write it in your notes. So I am telling you, daily maintain the notes. If notes is not there, you are gone. Notes is not there, then you are gone. Write these notes very clearly. Draw the diagram, make it quick. Stack area, heap area, class static area. First CL will come. CL stands for what? Class loader. He will load all the static members into the class static area. Then main method will be brought to stack area by JVM and JVM will start executing main method. Once the main method is getting executed completely, then main method will be removed from the stack area. Then who will come? Garbage collector will come. Garbage collector will erase all the data that is used to execute the program. Like imagine 20 methods are loaded, static methods, or imagine that 200 objects are created. All that memory which are all occupied will be erased by garbage collector. Written? Make it quick. Do not take hundreds of years to finish it. Complete it quickly. Have you done this much? Process everyone understood? I am repeating again. First process is what? Class loader will enter the stack area. What this fellow will do? He will load all the static members into class static area and he will leave. Then who will come? JVM will come. What JVM will do? JVM will load main method into the class, what is that? Stack area. Then JVM will start executing main method. Okay, now once the main method is clear, execution done, main method will be put out from the stack area. Then who will come? Garbage collector will come. Who will come? Garbage collector. What garbage collector will do? Whatever the memories that are, whatever the data that is loaded into heap area or class static area, like static methods which are loaded, objects which are created, all that will occupy some memory, no? So all that memory will be erased by garbage collector. Is it clear? This is basics, very basics. Did you understand everyone now? Is it clear now? Now if I execute this program, suppose for your understanding I am telling you, listen now, system.out.println, so I'll write hello. I am not going to create an object. Imagine I am not going to create an object. Okay. Okay, I will not even call method call also. No. Observe very, very carefully. Once again I am going to repeat everything from the beginning. I have not created any object. It's a non-static method. Listen very carefully. Who will come first in the stack area? What class loader will do? He will load only static members into class static area. Which is the static member we have? Main method will be loaded into class static. What about run method? Run method, is it loaded or not loaded? Loaded or not loaded? Why not loaded? Because it is a non-static method. Only static members are loaded by class loader. Since the run method is non-static, it is not loaded. Is it clear now? Okay, very good. Then what happens? Main method will be brought to stack area by JVM. JVM will execute the main method and main method will be thrown out. Then after that who will come? Garbage collector will come. Garbage collector, he will remove the main method from the class static area. He will remove the main method from class static area. Is it clear now? Okay. That is the reason when we execute the code, we are getting only hello. That is the reason run method is not getting executed. Did you understand? Run method is getting executed. Run method, is it getting executed? It is not getting executed. Is it clear now? Okay, because it is not loaded or loaded. Is it loaded or not loaded? Imagine if I make it as static. Run method is static. Again, what happens now in the beginning? From the beginning you tell me. First who will come? Fantastic. Class loader will come, correct? Okay, what class loader will do? He will load all static members into class static area. Okay, listen. What will be loaded? Main method is static, so main method is loaded, correct? Okay, then what? Main method is static, main method is loaded. Then run method is also static and run method is also loaded into class static area. Is it clear now? How many methods are loaded? 2 methods. Why both the methods are loaded? Both are static. Then class loader will leave. Who will come now? What JVM will do? Bring main method into stack area. What JVM will do? It will bring main method into stack area. Then JVM will execute main method. JVM will execute main method. What is there in the main method? Hello. What is there in the main method? Hello. What will be the output? Hello. Hello is printed, correct? Then after that main method is terminated. Main method is terminated. Means what? That is removed. Then JVM also exit. Then who will come? Garbage collector will come. Who will come? Garbage collector will come. Who will come? Garbage collector will come. What garbage collector will do? Garbage collector will remove main method also. Garbage collector will remove run method also. Then you may ask, sir, run method did not execute. No, sir. Array, did you do method calling process? Oh, yes. There is a problem. Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Did you understand now? Listen. My simple question. Why run method did not get executed? We did not call that method. We did not call the method. Which method? Then we did not call main method also, no? Then why main method is getting executed? JVM by default will execute main method. Whether you call main method, whether you don't call main method, by default JVM will execute main method. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి చెప్పుకుంటూ వస్తున్నా. ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ వెరీ ఎంగేజ్ ఐఎమ్ టీచింగ్ యూ దిస్. ఐ థింక్ యూ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ 6th standard. I was telling you this. Yes or no? Main method is being executed by default by JVM. You don't have to call the main method. Did you understand everyone now? So now let's get back to the same problem. Sir, if I want to execute run method, what I have to do? I told you if I have to execute run method, what I have to do? I have to do method calling process. What I have to do now? And run method, I am going to write it and end it with semicolon. Listen. First who will come? I'll kill you. First who will come? Class loader. What class loader will do? Load all static members into class static area. What will be loaded? Main method will be loaded. Then what will be loaded? Run method also will be loaded. Then class loader will exit. Then who will come? JVM. What JVM will do? He will bring main method here. What he will do? He will bring main method and JVM will start executing main method by default. Listen, JVM will start executing main method by default. Ready? So now let us execute. Main method will start executing. First line is what? Print hello. What JVM will do? What JVM will do? He will print hello. Is it clear now? Be very careful. Next step is very, very important. Listen. So JVM printed hello. Then what is there in the next line? Method call. What is there in the next line? Method call. Now main method says that brother go and call run method and execute run method. Do you understand now? Listen. Now what happens? JVM will go from stack area to class static area. JVM will go to stack area to class static area. He will hold the run method hand. Brother, come brother, main method is calling you, come. Main method is calling you, come. Now what happens? JVM will bring run method to which area? JVM will bring run method to which area? This is what main method now? This is what main method now? Over the main method means on the top of main method. What is that? On the top of main method. What method is loaded? Run method is loaded. What method is loaded? Run method is loaded. See, have you ever heard about stack? Stack means what? It is like one things you are going to keep on the other. Okay now. So now if you see here, there are boxes. A box first I kept, B box I have kept next, C box is there on the top. If I want to remove a box from this, which box will be removed first? Which box will be removed first? Why C will be removed first? Because it is on the top. So same like that, between main method and run method, which method is on the top? JVM will first execute which method is on the top. JVM will execute which method is there on the top. It was executing main method. Main method told that, go and execute run method. So what happened? Run method kept on the main method. Which method is on the top now? Run method. So what will happen? Listen now. From that point, immediately JVM will go to run method. Immediately JVM will go to run method. So we are going to execute run method. What is there here? What is there here? Run fast. So first hello printed, followed by what will be printed? Run fast. Followed by what will be printed? Run fast. After executing run method, immediately run method is thrown out of the stack area. Immediately run method is thrown out of the stack area. Immediately run method is thrown out of the stack area. When run method is thrown out of the stack area, which method is there on the top? Which method is there on the top? Main method. Then means again JVM will get back to main method in order to continue the execution. In order to continue the execution. Drink water, those who are sleeping, drink water. I don't know, very important concept is going. How come you will sleep? Like night, what work you will do? What kind of fellows you are? Are you doing Rapido or Swiggy, night time delivery job? What? That is okay, but eat like a buffalo, sleep like a buffalo in the class. Okay, then JVM will come back to main method. After run method, do you have any next lines to execute? No. That means main method is also over. Main method is also thrown out of the stack. Main method is also thrown out of the stack. Okay, main method is also gone. At last, who will come? At last, who will come? Garbage collector. Who will come? Garbage collector. What this fellow will do? He will erase. He will erase all the memory, like class static area memory and heap area. Anyhow, there is nothing created in the heap area. When we create an object, then memories will be allocated in the heap area. I will talk about that heap area slowly. Now what who is this fellow? Garbage collector will do? Garbage collector will remove main method and garbage collector will remove run method from the class static area. Now the run class static area is empty, Kali. It is ready for next program to execute. Do you understand now? Class static area now became Kali, empty. Now it is ready for the next program to get executed. Is it clear now? Did you understand or not understood? Very good, superb, done. So now what I do is, oh, this let it be here, class static area and all that. Listen, imagine we have one more static method, public static void jump method. Internally how it works is very very important. Now here it is, jump high. How many methods we have in this program? Very good. All the three methods are static or non-static? So first, who will come into this stack? Narkuta. Narkuta means I will kill you. Narkuta means actually I will chop you. Correct only, no? Addanga Narkuta means I will cut horizontally. Okay, let's get back to this now. First, who will come? Class loader. What this fellow will do? Load all static members into main method is loaded. Then what? Run method is loaded. Then what? Jump method is also loaded. Spelling mistake, I will write it here. So this is jump method. Okay, after the run, I will just for your understanding, I will write system out of println. I will write by followed by. I will call this jump method. Then again, okay, let's say system out of println. Goodbye, I will write. How it works, very very important. Listen, three methods have been loaded into class static area. By whom? Class loader. Then class loader job is done, that fellow will exit. Who will come next? JVM will come. What JVM will do? He will directly take only main method and he will put it in the stack area and he will start executing main method. Correct? Now let us execute main method. Let us execute main method. Here is the main method. First what will be printed? Hello printed. Next what line is there? Run method. Means what you have to do? Now you have to load which method? Run method over the main method. So immediately what happens? Run method will be brought on the top of main method. So here run method is loaded. Which method is on the top? Which method is on the top? Now immediately what JVM will do? From main method JVM will go to run method and he has to execute run. So run method is what now? Run fast. What is the second line? Run fast. What is the second line? Run fast. After executing run method, what happens? After executing run method, what happens? Run method will be removed from the stack. Run method will be removed from the stack. Okay, when you remove run method from the stack, now what will happen? JVM will go back to main method, which was there on the top. Run is removed means JVM will fall to main method. The main method has to continue the execution. Now it means what? He will come to line number 9. He will come to line number 9. What will be printed now? By will be printed. After that, what is the next line? Line number 10. Call jump method. Call jump method. Now what happens now? Jump method will be loaded into stack area. Jump method will be loaded into stack area. Jump method. Which method is on the top? Jump method. Immediately what JVM will do? JVM will go to jump method. What he will print? Jump high he will print now. What is that? Jump high will be printed. After that, jump method is executed now. Jump method will be removed. Jump method will be removed. Once we remove jump method, which method is on the top? Main method. Again JVM will go back to main method. That is line number 11. What will be printed? Goodbye. Okay. So now what will be the output? Hello, run fast, bye, jump high, goodbye. Let us execute this. Is it working correctly or not? You see here. First hello, run fast, bye, jump high and goodbye. Is it clear now? Perfect. Execution is clear now. So after this, listen, after this main method also getting executed. Main method also got over now. Once main method is also got over, what will happen now? Main method also will be terminated from the stack. Main method also will be terminated from the stack. Then at last who will come? Garbage collector. What garbage collector will do? Erase all the data from CSA as well as heap area. Anyhow in heap area nothing is there. What happens now? Main method is removed, run method is removed, jump method is removed. So it became khali now, empty, fresh. So that it is ready for another program to get executed. Did you understand now? Till now what I told was only related to static methods. Correct? Static methods. Correct? If I don't call static method, what happens? Did you understand now? If I don't call static method, what happens? Did you understand now? Do you want me to execute that? See, I have how many methods here? 3 methods. But I will call only run method. I will call only, what do you tell me? Run method. I will call only run method. Here we go. Listen. First who will come? Very good. First who will come? Class load. What class loader will do? Tell what it will do. He will load all static members into class static area. First what all things will be loaded? Main method is loaded. Then what will be loaded? Run method will be loaded. Then what will be loaded? Jump method is loaded. Is it clear now? Then who will come? Very good, very good. Then who will come? What JVM will do? Load main method into stack. Load main method into stack area. Is it clear now? Then main method will start executing. JVM will start executing main method. What is the first line? Hello is getting printed. Clear now? Next, immediately line number 8. What is that? Means now JVM has to load. Now JVM has to load run method. So immediately run method is available in the class static area. So he will load run method. Then what happens now? Run method will get executed. Then what happens now? Run method will get executed. What will be printed now? Run fast will be printed. Clear now? Then once the run method is getting executed, run method will be removed from the stack. Run method will be removed from the stack. Then what happens now? JVM will fall back to main method. Then he will print what? Goodbye. Clear now? Then after that main method also got over. Main method is also terminated from the stack area. At last who will come? Garbage collector will come. What garbage collector will do? He will remove. Yes, correct, perfect. He will remove all the. He will erase all the members from the class static area and heap area. Members also you can say. See, if you observe jump method, did you execute jump method? Why jump method did not get executed? We did not call. So what happens? Jump method is simply loaded. We will not use it and it is simply erased from the class static area. Did you understand now? If you call the method, only then method will get executed. Did you understand what is method calling? Method calling is nothing but bringing the method from heap or class static area to stack so that JVM will execute that method. Do you understand now? Is it clear everyone? Fantastic. Now let us talk about non-static method. Suppose there is a non-static method. what happens? We will see. This is actually very, very important. Listen very carefully. Now what I say, very important. I think jump method I'll remove. Static method alla. Run method is just non-static method. Run method is what? Drink water, drink water, drink water. I know you are sleeping. Drink water first. Drink. If you know this whole core Java, you understood. If you don't know this whole core Java, you will not understand. These three areas are so very important now. Did you understand what now just I told? Static methods means what happens, how it happens. Did you understand, everyone? Cheers. Ray, very important topic is going on. Monkeys. Don't go out until today's class. You are not allowed to go out. Very important here it is. See, run method is static or non-static? Now you see and tell me. Run method is static or non-static? Okay, let us again start from the beginning. Who will come first? Fabulous. What class loader will do? Load static members into class start. Two methods we have. How many static members we have? One static member. Who is that fellow? Okay, main method is loaded in the class static area. No, run method is loaded or not loaded? Run method is loaded or not loaded? Fantastic. So class loader job is done. So he will exit. Who will come next? What JVM will do? Bring the main method into stack area and he will start executing main method. Very important. Listen. Don't talk. Very important. Listen. Very, very important. Listen. Don't talk. Don't talk. Listen. Main method will start getting executed. Correct? Listen. Don't write anything. Don't talk. Listen. Main method will start getting executed first. First line is what? Hello is printed. Correct now? Next line is what? Run method means JVM has to bring run method into stack area and he has to execute run method. What happens? JVM will go to class static area. JVM will go to class static area and he will search run method. JVM will go to class static area and he will search run method. Where is run method in the class static area? It is not there. Do you understand now? Then JVM will come back and he will tell main method, useless fellow, waste fellow. You asked me to bring a run method and execute him, but there is no run method in the class static area. That is why you are getting a warning in line number 8. Means you are not able to execute static method directly. You are not able to execute static method directly. Did you understand now? This much the problem you are understanding. Why we are unable to call a non-static method directly? Did you understand? Why we are unable to call? Why? First of all, it is not loaded. Loade avvaledu. It is not loaded. How do you call an unloaded method? It is not loaded only, no? Biggest problem. That is why you cannot call a non-static method directly. You cannot call a non-static method directly. I told you, if you want to call a non-static method, what you have to do? Create an object. You have to create an object. Come on, help me now. What I have to write? Main class OB is equals to new main class parenthesis end with semicolon. Is it clear now? Listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. Very, very important now it is. Object is created now. Okay, done. Now, you are not supposed to call the method directly. Look at here. If you call directly run, this is the biggest problem. You should not call run here. You have to use object reference variable. You have to use what? object reference variable. In the object OB, dot means access. Dot is also an operator. Dot is there. Now dot is also an operator. Dot says the meaning of dot is what? Access. The meaning of dot is what? Access. Did you understand now? Listen very carefully. Exact code, how internally it works. This is very important. If you understand, full core Java will be easy. Hey, listen. Do not sleep. Do not rub your eyes. Here we go. First, who will come? Fantastic. First, who will come? What class loader will do? He will load all static members into the class static area. Which is the static member here? Main method is loaded into the class static area. Yes or no? No. Fantastic. That's it. Now, run method, is it loaded into the run method, is it loaded into the class static area or not? Loaded or not loaded? Loaded. Endukra meeru? I'll kill you. Just now I told class loader will not load. Understand? Class loader will load only. Arey, what kind of people you are? What did I say? Class loader will load all static members. Did I tell you or not? Okay, now think and tell me now. Now think and tell me. Run method will be loaded or not loaded? Run method will be loaded or not loaded? Not loaded. I must have कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Wait, it's not over. Wait. Done. Now what happens? Now who will come? What JVM will do? JVM will bring main method into the stack. Then main method has to start getting executed. Correct or not? Now main method start getting executed. Line number 7. What is that? Hello printed. Correct? Line number 7. Hello printed. Listen now. Line number 8. Object creation. Line number 8 is what? Object creation. Listen very carefully. The most important point here is new keyword. The most important point is what? Tell me. New keyword. What new keyword will do? Very important. Listen now. What new keyword will do? New keyword will do. Listen. First point. Create an object in a heap area. What you tell me? Create an object in a heap area. Object is nothing but it is a memory. Space is reserved. This much memory is reserved. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Object is nothing but what? Tell me. It is a memory. It's some space will be reserved. Some space will be reserved in the heap area. Listen. What new keyword will do? First, he will create an object in which area? Heap area. Listen very carefully. All non-static members. Second step. All non-static members should be loaded into object. Sir, I am not understanding, sir. Slowly, don't worry. I will tell you. I know English you will not understand that much quickly. Point number 1. What new keyword will do? What new keyword will do? Listen now. Step 1. What it does? Creates an object in heap area. Is it clear now? Fantastic. Point number 2. Listen. Point number 2. Load what? All what? Non-static members into object. Very good. Class loader will load all static members into the class static area. But new keyword, what he will do? He will load all non-static members into object. Do you understand now? Is it clear now? Let's get back to the program now again. New keyword, what it does? It created an object. Listen, it created an object. Correct? Fantastic. Good. Now listen very carefully. What will be loaded into this object? Non-static members. What non-static members you have in this class? Run method is loaded. Run method is loaded into this object. Is it clear now? Point number 2 is what? Load all non-static members. Load all non-static members into the object. Third step is what? Call the constructor. But Constructor topic is future. I will not tell you now. Third step is what? New keyword will call the constructor. But constructor means you don't know. That is why I am not telling that point now. Do you understand now? Did you understand now? Okay. So now what happens? Once the object is created, he will load all the non-static members into the object. Listen. Then after that, this object will have an address. The object will have an address or not? Assume that this object address is x01. What is the object address? x01. What is the object address? x01. This object address will be given to the object variable. What is that? OB. See, variable is what? OB. Listen now. This is what? Variable. What is the variable name? What is the variable name? So, which type of variable? Is it int type of variable? Is it double type of variable? Is it string type of variable? Is it which type? Main class type. Is it which type? Main class type. That means this memory will accept the address of the objects which are created only for the main class. You did not understand English. Slowly I will tell you. See, slowly. Listen. I will tell from the beginning. Hey, listen, don't talk. If I say, listen, don't talk. It is a int type of memory. What happens now? This memory will accept only integer values. Do you know or not? Fantastic. If I write here double, what is the meaning of it? This memory will accept only, suppose if the variable name is a and it will accept only double values. Boolean, what is the meaning of it now? This memory will accept only Boolean value. Same like that here also. What we are writing is, we are writing main class. Main class means it will also accept some value. What value? Address of the objects. It will accept only address of the objects. What it will accept? Address of the objects. Which type of objects? The objects which are created to main class. Imagine you are creating an object for some other class. You are creating an object for some other class, like minor class is there, MINO or minor class. You are creating an object for minor class and you are trying to store that object address into main class reference. Not possible. Is it clear now? Regarding this, you will understand slowly. Don't have to worry. That is what typecasting we will do. Upcasting, downcasting, inheritance concept we will do it. So this object will carry what? x01. So this OB variable will carry what? x01. x01 is what? Address of the object. x01 is what? Address of the object. That is stored in a variable called OB variable. OB variable, is it string type? No. Is it int type? No. Is it double type? No. Is it boolean type? No. It is which type? Main class. Listen now. Primitive and non-primitive, do you know? Do you remember primitive and non-primitive? Listen. Every class reference is non-primitive. What is that? Every class is a non-primitive data type. Sir, if I create class animal, animal is what? Non-primitive data type. Every class is a data type. Once again I am telling you, every class is a data type. I am telling you once again, every class is a data type. Primitive or non-primitive? Non-primitive data type. You don't have to think too much. You just create a class called apple. Apple is a non-primitive data type. You create a class called bottle. Bottle is a non-primitive data type. You create a class called main class. So main class is also a data type, but it is non-primitive. Do you understand now? So every class name is a data type, but it is a non-primitive data type. Is it clear now? Did you understand? Okay, I will write all these chota points into the notes. So what is that? Here we go. Every class that we create is a non-primitive data type. It's a non-primitive data type. Is it clear now? Did you understand? Did you understand or not understood? Fantastic. So here we go. Let's get back here. Just give me a minute. Everyone listen. Int k is equals to 10 or 20. Listen. If I want to store 20, I declared k data type as int. Okay, observe now. Now, if I want to store 2.0, what should be the k data type? What should be the k data type? Double or float. Is it clear now? Okay. If I want to store hello here, what should be the data type? What should be the data type? Very good. If I want to store false here, what should be the data type? Very good. Boolean. If I want to store capital A, what should be the data type? Data type is what? Very good. Listen now. If I want to store an object reference, new main class. What is that? New main class. What should be the data type? Main class. Data type. Do you understand now? So every class name is also a data type, but we will not call it as data type. We will be calling it as non-primitive data type. Do you understand now? Primitive data types I have already told you. What is that? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, along with boolean. But string is what? Non-primitive. By this what you understood? That means there is a class called string. When I say string is a non-primitive data type, that means there is a class called string. Yes, there is a class called string, string builder, string buffer. We will discuss in future. You don't have to worry. This much have you understood now? That's it. Fantastic. Let's get back to this now. Let me comment this. Okay. So now what happens here? Let's get back now. We were discussing about new keyword. What new keyword will do? First step, create an object. It will create an object. What is second step? Load all non-static members into object. Load all non-static members into object. What is first step? Create an object. What is second step? Load all non-static members into object. Is it clear now? Then third step is what? That object address will be stored in the object reference variable OB. Object address will be stored in the object reference variable OB. OB carries what? Address of the object. OB carries what? Address of the object. OB carries what? Address of the object. Is it clear now? Now line number 8 is done. Now line number 8 is done. Is it clear now? Then after that we will be moving to the line number 9. We will be moving to the line number 9. Listen. Go to OB object. Very important. What is that? Go to OB object. Inside the object. Dot means what? Access. Dot means what? Access. In the object OB, access what? Run method. Now JVM will go to directly to the object. Is it clear now? If you have not created object, where JVM will go? If you have not created the object, directly you are calling run method. Where JVM will go? JVM will go to class static area and he will search. Is there run method there or not? Run method, is it there in the class static area? No. Now you are telling waste. See, observe now. I'll show you. Just don't worry. Easy it is. I will not write ob.run. Okay. I'll just write run. Are you getting error or not? You see? Are you getting error or not? Just you see here. Run. Are you getting error or not? When you write like this, what happens? You are telling that JVM call run method. JVM call run method. Where JVM will go? He will go to class static. By default, JVM will go to class static area. Then he will go there. Is there any run method in the class static area? Where is run method? In the object. Where is run method? In the object. But he is searching the run method in which area? Class static area. Then JVM will come and tell you, waste fellow, I searched the whole class static area, but I did not find a run method. Then you should, oh yo deva, why did you search class static area, waste fellow buffalo? Go to ob dot run. Don't search there. First go to object ob. In the object ob, access run method. Go to object ob and access run method. Then JVM will come from main method to object directly because you know the address. OB carries address. No, OB carries what? x01. Directly JVM will come to the object and he will load that run method. Now run method is loaded. Then which is on the top? Who is on the top? Run method or main method? Run method. So who will get executed first? What will be printed now? run fast. Now what happens? Run fast will be printed. After executing run method, what happens now? Run method will be terminated from the stack or removed from the stack. Then JVM will fall back to main method. That means after executing run method, JVM will go back to main method and he will execute goodbye. Is it clear now? So output is what? Output is what? Hello. Then after that ob.run, run fast. Then after that goodbye. Did you understand now? So let us run the program and check is it working or not. Hello, run fast and goodbye. Very simple. If you want to execute a non-static method, create an object. Did you understand now? Everyone understood now? This is how the internally everything works. Is it clear now? Good, superb, done. Listen. Once again I will repeat everything from the beginning. If you have doubts, you can ask me. See, I am stressing on this because whole OOPS concepts are depending on this. Whenever next if I ask this topic, if you don't answer, I will skip half of the syllabus because teaching you is waste, because again you will forget. I will skip the content if you do like that. Monkeys. Public static void run method. Run is already there. Walk method. Come on, everything from the beginning. Everything from the beginning. Look at here now. What is this area? Class static area. What is this area? Very good. Heap area. Okay, then here what is this area? Very good. This is what? Stack area. First, who will come into the stack area? Class loader. What class loader will do? Load all static members into class static area. What and all will be loaded? What are the static members? Main method, walk. Very good. Main method and walk. So main method is loaded. Then what will be loaded? Walk method is loaded. Okay, listen very carefully. Everyone listen. What is this? Run method will be loaded or not loaded? Run method will be loaded as of now by class loader. Run method, is it loaded by class loader now? Run method, is it loaded by class loader now? Why no? Because it is a static method. Fantastic. So after that, what happens? Class loader will exit. Who will come? JVM. What JVM will do? Bring the main method into the. Very good. So main method is loaded immediately here. Is it clear now? Okay, good. So then what JVM will do? He will start executing main method. What is the first line? Hello is printed, correct? Hello is printed. What is the next line? Walk method. Now immediately when JVM sees walk method, immediately when JVM see walk method, what happens now? JVM will go to heap area or class static area? Class static area, and he will search walk method. Walk method is it available in the class static area or not? So immediately walk method will be loaded. What will be the output now? Walk slowly. Means JVM will switch to walk method. So walk method will get executed. So we are going to print walk slowly. Walk slowly will be printed. After that, what happens? Walk method is removed from the stack area. Then JVM will fall back to main method. Then main method will start continuing. What is the next line? Run method. Then where JVM will go? Where JVM will go? CSA, and he will search run method. Run method is available in the class static area. Run method, is it available in the class static area? Not available. Is it loaded first of all? Not loaded. Then how can we do it? By creating an object. So how to create an object? Come on, tell me now. Main class OB is equals to new main class. Okay, fantastic. Now After this, I am going to write what it will me, ob dot run. What's the meaning of this now? When JVM comes to line number 9, what happens? JVM comes to line number 9, what happens now? He has to create an object. So what new keyword will do here? What new keyword will do? Create an object. Second point, load all non-static members into the object. Load all non-static members into the object. So what happens now? Run method will be loaded into the object. Is it clear now? Then what happens now? Object address, let us assume x01. Object address will be stored in OB. Next, go to OB object, then you access run method. Go to OB object and then you go and access run method. Then JVM will directly go to OB. Is it clear now? Then JVM will directly go to OB. Then he will load run method. Into stack. Which method is on the top? Run method. Then what happens now? Run fast will be printed. Then after that run method is executed. No, run method will be removed from the stack. Then JVM will fall back to main method. Then here we will print goodbye. We'll print what? Goodbye. After that, main method is also executed. Then what happens now? Main method is terminated. At last, who will come on the? Yes, what is his name? Garbage collector. GC. What he will do? He will remove or he will erase all the data from the respective areas. From class static area, he will remove main method. He will remove walk method, and he will remove objects also. If you create hundreds of objects, all the hundreds of objects will be removed. Did you understand now? Is it clear? Everyone understood now? Fantastic. Now you see here, I am going to create two objects, ob1. This is ob1.run. Then I will create one more object like this. What is this? ob2. How internally it works, I will show you. I will not write each and everything again. Some major areas I will draw here. You all know that in the heap area, listen, only in the heap area I will write. So in the heap area, first what happens? One object is created. Immediately what happens? All non-static members will be loaded. Here now, what are the non-static members? Run method is loaded here. So this object reference will be given to ob1. Again, listen now, one more object you are creating. One more object will be created. Where it will be created? In heap area. All the objects. What did you tell me? All the objects will be created. In which area? Heap area. Again new keyword. Again what you will do? Create an object. Again load non-static members. Again run method is loaded in the second object also. Again this address will be given to OB. Sir, one thing you tell me. If I have only one non-static method, but I will create 10 objects. Are you understanding? How many non-static methods are there? One non-static method is there. How many objects I will create? 10 objects I will create. Listen, 10 objects I will create. How many times this non-static method will be loaded? 10 times or one time? 10 times. Every object when you create, every time non-static members will be loaded into that object. Do you understand now? Every time you create an object, in each and every object, non-static members will be loaded. Is it clear now? Okay, good, superb, done. Let's get back to this. That point also I will write in the notes. Every time we create object, each and every time non-static members will be loaded into object. Every time we create an object, each and every time non-static members will be loaded into each and every object. Every object carries its own copy of non-static members. Very, very important. What is that? Every object carries its own copy of non-static members. Every object carries its own copy of non-static members. If you create 10 objects, each and every object will have its own non-static method. Is it clear now? Do you understand, everyone? Everyone understood now how to create a non-static method? Sorry, how to create, correct. How to create a non-static method and how to call a non-static method. Very simple. How to create a non-static method? Remove static keyword. How do you call a non-static method? You have to create an object. Lay internally how it happens, everything very clearly I explained. You may forget this. You may forget this. I'm telling you. You may know. You definitely will forget. Galish fellows you are. If you don't revise, I will kill you. If you don't revise today after the class, definitely I will murder you. Sir, what is CSSR? Chennai Super Association, sir. Definitely I will murder you. Okay. After this, question number 1. Can we call a static method from another static method directly? Directly means without creating any object. Can we call a static method from another static method directly? What is your answer? Yes. Reason. Listen. Reason. Because both stay in the same area. Both stay in the same area. Which is that area? Class static area. What is that? Class static area. Very, very important now. Static method also. See, both the static methods means they belongs to same area only. No. They can easily access. You can call a static method from another static method. There is no problem. Directly. You don't have to create an object. You don't have to create an object. You don't have to create an object. Second question I have. What is that? Can we call non-static method from a static method? Can we call non-static method from a static method directly? Answer is no. We need to create object. So if someone asks you why, point number 1, non-static members are loaded into objects. If we don't create objects, means non-static members are not loaded only. Non-static members are loaded into objects. If we don't create objects means non-static members are not loaded only. So we need to call non-static members from object, reference, variable. Third question. Third question. Can we call a non-static method from another non-static method? Can anyone answer this? I want to call a non-static method from another non-static method. Can I directly call, or should I have to use object reference? Object should be created, of course, object will be created, but I want to call a non-static method from another non-static method. Where these two methods will be stored? Where these two methods will be stored? Okay, in the object only, that is in the heap area. You have to tell object. Both the methods are loaded in the same object or not? Both the methods are there in the same object or not? You don't have to use object reference. You don't have to use object reference. You don't have to use object reference. Look at here now, everyone. I'll tell you. Imagine walk method is non-static. Okay, run method I want to call. Listen. What will be the output of this program? Tell me. What will be the output of this program? Hello. Then we will create an object and we will call what? Walk method. We will call what? Walk method. Walk is static or non-static? So, walk is a non-static method and run is also a non-static method. Listen very carefully. To call non-static method from a static method, main method. So, I have used object reference. Correct enough? Walk was non-static, main method was static. So to call the walk method, I have used object reference. Correct enough? Now you see, walk is static or non-static? Very good. Run method is static or non-static? Non-static. So can walk call directly run method? Yes. Yes. Why? Why yes? When you create an object, you see, when you create an object, inside this object, what will be loaded? All non-static members only will be loaded. All non-static members, what will be loaded? Walk also will be loaded in the same object. Run method also will be loaded in the same object. So you don't have to use object reference here. You don't have to use object reference here. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Walk can easily call run method and run can easily call walk method because they both stay in the same object. They both stay in the same object. So you don't need object reference to call a non-static method from a non-static method. Is it clear now? What's the output now? Hello will be printed. Then what will be printed? Walk slowly. Then walk method will call run method. Then what will be printed? Run fast. Then what will be printed? Very good. Superb. Any doubts in this program now? Hello, walk slowly, run fast, goodbye. Any doubts in this program now? Is anybody having any doubts in this program now? Why a non-static method can directly call another non-static method? Yes. Answer is what? Yes. Because they both stay in the same object. They both stay in the same object. You don't have to reference with what is that? Reference name. You don't have to give object reference variable here. Directly a non-static method can call static method another non-static method directly. Is it clear now? Okay, then see, did you understand everything? Point number 1. Listen very carefully. Point number 1. Imagine walk method is static. Walk method is what? Static. You don't have to create an object. Directly call walk. Did you understand now? Main method is what? Static. Walk method is what? Static. Can we directly call? Yes, directly you can call. There is no problem. Program will get executed. Walk slowly. Hello, walk slowly and bye. So a static method can be called from other static method directly. Why? They both stay in the same area. What is the same area? Class static area. Fantastic. That you understood now? If I make this as non-static, Can I call a non-static method from a non-static method directly? Sorry, static method directly? Listen now. Main method is static or non-static? Respond. Main method is static or non-static? Walk method is static or non-static? Can I directly call walk method? Is it possible? Because main method stays in class static area, but walk method stays in object. So they cannot come and contact like this. So for that, definitely you have to give object. You have to create an object. If you don't create an object, then these methods only not loaded. No? That is the biggest problem. Okay, no? So you have to have what tell me object reference. Now point number 3. Can I call a non-static method from another non-static method? Walk is static or non-static? Run is static or non-static? Can I directly call a non-static method from another non-static method? Why? They both stay in the same object. So you can directly call them. And the last combination is remaining. What is that? Fourth one, last one. What is that? Can we call a static method? Can we call a static method from a non-static method directly? What is your answer? Can we call a static method from a non-static method directly? Yes or no? Yes. Point is very clear. See, observe now. I will tell you very clearly, listen. If you have a static method, how many times static method will be loaded? Only one time it will be loaded. So it will not keep getting changed. Suppose if you create 10 times, 10 objects if you create also. How many objects? 10 objects if you create also. For all these 10 objects, there is only one class static area. Okay, if you don't understand means I'll write C. This is what? Class static area. This is what? Imagine if I create 10 objects. Object 1, object 2, object 3, object 4 like this. How many objects? 10 objects. Walk is what? Static or non-static? How many times walk will be loaded? 10 times. How many times walk will be loaded? Because 10 objects are getting created means 10 times walk method will be. How many times main method will be loaded? How many times main method will be loaded? See, all static members are single copy. How many main methods are loaded here? Only one. Suppose if you declare walk method as static, assume. Okay, now if you declare walk method as static, how many times walk method will be loaded? Only one time. Do you understand now what I am saying now? So they are all static members are of single copy nature. All static members are all of what it tell me? Single copy nature. Only one copy will be there. So you will not get confusion. You will not get confusion whom to call. See, listen. I know you are not understanding. See, listen. In the whole class, listen. In the whole class, only one Arvind is there. Only one Arvind is there. Then, Arvind, get up. Will there be any confusion? Fantastic. Imagine in the whole class, 5 Arvinds are there. How many Arvinds are there? 5 Arvinds are there. Now, Arvind, get up. Will you get confusion or not? That is the point. Very simple. Clear now? I'll show you. Don't worry. Here we go. Public, static, void. Imagine walk is what? Static. Run method is non-static. Assume like this. Okay. Assume like this. Very important. Understand very carefully. Here we go. This is what? CSA. This is what? Heap area. Listen. Heap area. Listen. How many times walk will be loaded? Only one time. walk method. Imagine I have created 10 objects. How many objects? 10 objects. Object 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now 10 objects are created. How many times run method will be loaded? So here also run method. Here also run method. Okay, here also run method. Run method. Like this, every object is having what you tell me? Run method. How many copies of walk methods are available? So when you call walk method, will you get confused? Will you get confused? See, if you want to call an run method wants to call walk method. Only one walk method, there is no doubt. This run method wants to call walk method. Only one walk method, no? There is no doubt at all. This run method also want to call walk method. Any doubts in this? No. This method also want to call walk method. Walk method. Walk. For all of these people, there is only one walk method. So there is no doubt at all. For all these methods, there is only one walk method. Will they get confusion? Will they get confusion? Listen very carefully. That is what I am telling. If you are calling a static method, from non-static method, you can directly call because there is no confusion. You can directly call. But ulta is what? Sir, I want to call a non-static member. Listen very carefully. I want to call a non-static member from a static member. Suppose here there is a run method. Okay, now here there is a run method. I want to call this run method from the walk method. Will you get confusion or not? Because run method is there in every object. Na? Run method is there in every object. So which objects run method you need? Correct or not? Then you have to say ob7.run. If you say ob7.run, then they will understand that okay, I have to go to object 7, I have to call run. If you say ob3.run means what? You have to go to third object and you have to call run method. If I say ob10.run method, then what? Okay, I can go to 10th object and I will call run method. But walk method, how many walk methods are there? One walk method is there. Where it is available? Class static. Listen, if you want to call the walk method from fourth object, directly you can call because there is only one walk method. If you want to call walk method from the ninth object, directly you can call. Why? There is only one walk method. If you want to call it from the 10th object, directly you can call. Why? Because there is only one object. From the second object you want to call. Yes, directly you can call. Why? Because there is only one object. So all static members are single copy. Is it clear now? Very, very important now. Here we go. Let's get back this. What is this? Before this, I'll write here. Point number 3 and 4 here. What is that? All static members are single copy. Single copy. All non-static members are multiple copy. Multiple copy means what? Each and every object carries a copy of non-static member. What is that? Each and every object carries a copy of non-static member. That is why all non-static members are multiple copy. If you create 10 objects, 10 copies are there. If you create 100 objects, 100 copies are there. But static members are what? All static members are of single copy. You create thousands of objects, there will be only one static method. Not only one static method. Many static methods you can create with that name, only one copy of the static method will be there. That's why you can directly call a static method from a non-static method. Yes, we can directly call because all static members are of single copy. So are of single copy. Only one static member will be there. So you will not get any confusion. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Okay, everyone look at me. Finalize. I am going to finalize. Listen now, everyone. Look at here. 4 combinations. Four combinations. I'll kill you, you both. Hey, monkey, listen. They're laughing. Like, have monkeys. Here we go. Listen. Last point. Can I call static method from static method? Directly I can call. Why? Because they both stay in the class static area. Point one, is it clear now? Static I can directly call because they both stay in the class static area, same area, no problem. Can I call non-static? Yes, because these two people stay in the same area, object. Very simple, you see. Static can directly call. Why? Because they both stay in the class static area. You see, you and me, we both stay in the same room. Can I directly call or not? Yes. If you are staying in another class, means I have to go outside and or you have to come outside, then we have to meet. If we both stay in the same classroom, can I directly call or not? Yes, that's what the problem. Static, direct. Non-static, direct. Is it clear now? Then non-static to static means what? I am there in non-static method. I am there in where? Non-static method. But I want to call static method. Director, object is it required? Director, static members are what? Single copy. You can directly call. ఏమిరా బాలరాజు దేశానికి. Okay, let's get back to this now. Listen, I have to write like this. Static method call static method directly or not? Object reference is required. Directly. Reason, same CSA. Directly. What is that? Same CSA. CSA means you understood now? Class static area. Okay, now listen. Then next point. Non-static method call non-static method directly. Yes, why directly? Same. Very good. You are understanding slowly. Then non-static method call static method directly or not directly? Why? Directly it has. Directly. Why? All static members are single copy. Only one Arvind. I told now, only one Arvind. Anybody can easily access that fellow. Static members are all of what? Single copy nature. Very clear. Only the situation where you need object reference. Only the situation where you need object reference is what? Static method call non-static method through object reference variable. Reason is what? All non-static members are multiple copy. If you create 10 objects, there are 10 non-static methods are there. Then you will get confusion. Which object we are going to call? Through which object we are going to call which method? That is the reason. Is it clear now? Only where you need object reference is what? When you call, from static method, call non-static method. You are there in static and you are trying to call a non-static method. Then only you have a problem. Did you understand now? Still do you have doubts? Good, superb. So this is enough for the day. I will share the notes. Did you understand everyone? Revise the notes. Then you have to come to the tomorrow's class. Bye guys, you can leave. That is, I will tell you. You don't have to worry. Class and object will get a clarity.